Welcome, welcome once again to Cooking Around's channel. Welcome, welcome. What do I have for you today? Sauces and how to make them 5 different ways. And with these 5 recipes, you can use them for almost any dish that you can think of. And it is very, very fast and easy. And each sauce you can make under 5 to 6 minutes. So, without any further ado, let's get going. Dish number 1, mustard mayonnaise. And this can be used for any type of meat dish, as here you can see I'm using it on a chicken cutlet. Smooth, a nice rich taste, and the mustard will give that tangy taste. So, here we go. Grab yourself a working bowl and add about 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, a little bit more if you want. Mayonnaise here I'm using low fat, and I'm adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard. And now let's get this thing really well stirred. Okay, let's make it your way. Give it a little taste, and as for me, I want more tang, so I am adding a little bit more mustard. And as easy as this looks, this is basically it, and I hope that you really are going to enjoy this recipe. Sauce number 2, sweet and sour sauce. This is one of my favorite. You can use this on almost anything. And here I'm using it on a Chinese recipe. Very sweet, very tangy, just perfect. Here you go, grab yourself a microproof glass bowl, and I want you to add in about 1/2 cup of sugar. Now let's add here 1/3 cup of pineapple juice and about 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar. Now you know you can use other type of vinegar, but I find that apple cider vinegar is the best for you. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce. 1/4 cup of your favorite ketchup. Now let's get this thing really well stirred. Now mix in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch into about 2 tablespoons of water and start stirring again. I want it really mixed well. And now pop it into the microwave, setting to 1.5 to 2 minutes. Okay, it's been almost 2 minutes, and here it is. Be careful, it's very hot. Now, you can stir it a little bit. You can add a little bit of water to make it more liquidy, but you know something? I'm going just to taste it here, and I think for me, I'm going to add just a little bit more ketchup. But you know something? This depends on your taste. So, here is the sauce. It is ready. It is perfect. You need to try it. You can mix it in with dishes, or you could just pour it on top. So, let's go to the next one. Sauce number 3. Big Mac sauce. Yes, exactly like that commercial restaurant. And it is perfect. And you should try it on salmon. So, let's get going. Let's start by adding 2/3 cup of mayonnaise, and here I'm using the low fat type. About 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of mustard. About 1/4 cup of ketchup. 2 tablespoons of sweet relish. And for that awesome taste, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/8 to 1/2 teaspoon of hot paprika. Add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. And to finish it off, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. Now that we got all the ingredients into the bowl, let's start stirring, and the more we stir, the more smooth this is going to be. And I'm just going to keep on stirring for a little bit more, and now you can see that it's velvety smooth. The taste is going to be awesome, and this will be perfect for practically any dish you want, but try it on hamburgers, especially cheeseburgers, and just see how awesome this is. Sauce number 4. My favorite, cucumber dill tzatziki sauce. It goes with everything, even with just plain bread. Let me show you how to put this together. This recipe is so simple. Add 2 cups of chopped cucumbers. Don't forget to remove the outer skin. Add 1/4 cup of lemon juice. 1 teaspoon or more of minced garlic. Add about half a teaspoon of salt. If you wish, you can add a little bit more, but that's up to you. Add a dash or 2 of black pepper and 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh dill. And here comes the smoothness. 2 cups of plain yogurt. Now you can use Greek yogurt if you would like, and also you can use low-fat yogurt. Now once again, let's stir it, let's blend it in perfectly, and the more you blend, the better it's going to be. Now here it is. You could serve it on salads, you can serve it on practically almost anything that your heart desires. It's very simple to make. It'll last about 2 days in your refrigerator. So let's go to the next one. Sauce number 5. Tangy avocado sauce. This again, once again, is one of my favorites, and I just love this on a salad. Get your fancy blender, and just to start, put in a little part of the buttermilk. And now let's add 1 hot chili powder right to the bottom. Make sure that the seeds are out and the stem is out. And just for now, put the top on and let it go for a spin for about 30 to 45 seconds. Now let's add about 2 cups of parsley. Now add about 1 large avocado that is ripe, pitted and peeled and cut into chunks. Add about 1 chopped clove garlic. And cover it once again and let it go for another minute. And now let's add 3 ounces of feta cheese, and this will give it a good rich taste. Add now about a pinch of salt, I'd say about half a teaspoon and more if you would like, and about 2 tablespoons of lime juice. If you don't have lime juice, then you could use lemon juice. Now let's add some hot sauce. Now here you can basically add any type of hot sauce you want, or even powdered hot paprika or cayenne or chili. That is now basically up to you. Let's add now the rest of the buttermilk. Turn on the machine for say now about 2 minutes, and I shall be back. And basically this is what I want. So once again, thank you for allowing me to share this video. It's once again goodbye from Tony and Cooking Around.